Open your phone right now. You probably have over 1,000 contacts. Your brain can only actually handle 150 of them. Not as an opinion, as a hard biological limit. In the 1990s, anthropologist Robin Dunbar noticed something strange about primates. The bigger a primate's brain, specifically the neocortex, the bigger its social group. He plotted this relationship across dozens of species. Then he applied the same formula to the human brain. The number it predicted was 150. And then something remarkable happened. That number kept showing up everywhere. Hunter-gatherer clans averaged 150 people. Roman military companies were built around 150 soldiers. The clothing company Gore-Tex found that when a factory grew past 150 employees, efficiency dropped. So they simply split the factory in two. This is the number of people your brain can hold in real relationship. Not names, not faces. Relationship. People whose history with you, whose trust, whose obligations, your brain can actually track. Beyond that circle, Dunbar found smaller rings too. 5 people you'd call in a crisis. 15 close friends. 50 good friends. 150 is the outer edge. Past it, people become strangers with familiar faces. Now look at your phone again. The average person today has over 1,200 contacts across their devices and social apps. That's 8 times your biological limit. Your brain didn't get an upgrade. The number of people demanding a slot in it did. Every one of those 1,200 people send signals. A like, a message, a notification. Your brain treats each one like a tiny social obligation. It doesn't know the difference between a close friend and a stranger from 10 years ago. So it tries to track all of them. And it fails. This is part of why loneliness has risen alongside connection. You're not isolated. You're overloaded. Your circle of 150 didn't disappear. It's just buried under 1,000 contacts your brain was never built to hold. You don't need more connections. You need to find the 150 that were always yours.